Hi everyone, my name's Bella. I'm going to show you a little bit about my creed and let you see a little bit about what I have going on in here. As you see, I have a good picture of myself. You can see my face really, really well. I have put in here under my education background a student loan project that I have. It shows that I'm set up for success, very well prepared to have been able to pay my student loan off in good time. And next you see that I have my view for my goals and the goals that I have set up to obtain, and I'll be well prepared with my goals. One of them meaning I'll have my certification in the middle of next month. I have my writing skills that shows how I'm a good writer and I'm good at communicating through my writing. I have my ICD-10 PCS here, which shows that I am able to work in a hospital and be a coder for them and know how to do the ICD-10 PCSs. And you have my CPTs showing that I am able to work in a physician's office or a clinic setting. Them are my personal goals. I have my bio here that tells you a little bit about myself that I changed. I had some personal stuff in here about my family, but now I just have everything in here that an employer would want to see about me. I also have my resume and my cover letter that I think are pretty well done, and they're ready to be used in January when I come time for me to look for a job. Thanks so much. Y'all have a wonderful